Hi guys. Today we are learning how to activate Claude Memory. First, unlock your phone and open any web browser. You can use Safari, Chrome, or any browser you prefer. Make sure you have an active internet connection. Now we'll access Claude through the browser. Once your browser is open, tap on the search bar at the top. This is where you'll enter the Claude website address. Make sure the search field is active before typing. Now we're ready to visit Claude. Type claude.ai into the search bar and start the search. When the official Claude website appears, tap on it. The Claude interface will open in your browser. Wait for the page to load completely. After Claude opens, look at the top left side of the screen. Tap the square or menu icon to open the navigation panel. This gives you access to account-related options. Now we'll head into the settings area. In the navigation panel, look toward the bottom left corner. Tap on your account name or profile section. A menu with different account options will appear. From here you can manage Claude preferences. Now select Settings from the available options. This will open your Claude account settings page. Here you'll find different features and controls. We'll need to access the Capabilities section next. Inside Settings, swipe through the available tabs or options, look for Capabilities and tap on it. This section contains experimental and advanced features. Memory settings are available here when supported. Find the option called Generate Memory for Chats. If it's turned off, tap the toggle to enable it. Once enabled, Claude can save useful information from conversations. Your Claude Memory feature will now be activated. And that's how you can easily activate Claude Memory step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.